Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'll be doing another set of Valentine nails. If you guys haven't seen my very first video, link will be in the description and also in the iCards. I feel like sometimes when I'm doing my intro to my videos, I speak extremely fast. Like, I think I speak so clearly that persons can hear, but honestly when I listen over the recordings, it's like, girl, who are you? Who are you running down? But you know, it's just a Caribbean thing. Caribbean challenges, but we do understand ourselves, so I'll try to speak a little more clearer, or you can just put on your caption so you guys can probably catch a few words that you can catch, or catch a few words that the caption thing you can catch. So yeah. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty, where I take my hands and create fashion. I love DIYs, I love nail hacks, I love everything pertaining to beauty, nails, everything, just everything. So if you want to see regular postings from more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you won't get so you will get notified each and every time I upload. And I also upload twice a week, so that's a bonus. That's goodness, that's good stuff right there. And also please check out my social media, link will be in the description down below. So first things first, I want to just acknowledge that we are about to enter into the month of February, and this is a special love month. I mean, every month should be love month, but this month is special, honey. So before we actually can get into February and reach the Valentines, I just wanted to give persons options, ideas of how to create that perfect Valentine nails for the bae or for you, whomever you're trying to please. But yes, so February is Valentine's. I'm just a little bit ahead of it. Yes. I'm a little bit ahead of it. So I'm just here for the ideas. So one thing that I asked of you guys when it's approaching February, as I said before, one thing that I want, one thing that I wish for you guys to do, simple, plain. I think it can be done anywhere. I want you guys to start self-loving. So start self-loving before you move to the next stage of love. So really and truly, you can't love somebody before loving yourself. I don't think it's even possible to love somebody else. So I'm through that stage. I'm going through that stage right now where I'm trying to love myself. Really and truly, I love nobody right now. So generally, I love myself before I love anybody. So please do love yourself. All we want to do, make it your first priority, because self-love is key to the happiness. A major key. So please self-love and make it your priority. Make it your priority. Okay. So hashtag self-love for February. We're going into February loving ourselves before we can actually love others. So if you guys have not yet recognized that I'm using command hooks, so I currently don't have any nail stand due to the fact that I live in the Caribbean and things take like 2 weeks or more to get to where I am. And I mean, you have other services, but like, come on, it takes a week. I'm not rich yet. I'm broke right now, so I have to wait the 2 weeks. So hopefully I'll be ordering some stuff shortly. I want to get my ring light so bad, because the quality of my videos, the quality of the videos are not bad, but some areas in the videos are dark, and I really like, when persons are able to see what I'm actually doing, and that's creating a little bit of challenging. But I'll be getting my lamp, the light very soon, and some other stuff, some other mics, some bunch of other stuff. So stay tuned for all of that. So I just want to say that the command hooks work just as well as the nail stand. The only difference is that the nail stand is a little bit bougie, man. It has a little bit class, and the hook is a little bit more robust. You can go through any hurricane and be Gucci. You know me, I go with this. So yeah. So I purchased these command hooks from my local hardware store. Hooks are so inexpensive. I think they cost the same amount as a nail stand. So if you're trying to save those coins, sis, I got you. These are the ideal nail hack for you. These are the ideal nail hack for you to save those points. So they are also available on Amazon. I think I should go and have a look. If they are on Amazon, I will put a link down below so you can just click, purchase, ching ching, push and out. You see me? So, and it may be a little bit more cheaper at your local store near you, the everything store near you. Why am I even complaining? I just went to 2 stores, and the first store that I actually went to, I thought I would have gotten there because it's like an everything store and they didn't have any. So I had to go to a local, I had to go to a hardware store near me, and I found it. It cost a little bit because just about two in a pack. So 2 in a pack cost like $500 plus GCT. Would have carried up to like $550, and I bought like 3 packs of those, so that was like $2,000 and more. I think it may be cheaper online, or it depends on where you are living. But yeah, it never costs much. So yeah. So moving on, I have already sized my nails. First thing you have to do is size your nails. So if you're doing it for yourself, doing it for anybody else, always remember to size the nails. So don't get up randomly and say, okay, I want this, that. Unless you're doing a freestyle, and you really don't want it on your nail, you're just doing a freestyle, it is completely fine. But if you're doing it for someone or for yourself, or you're going somewhere and you want it for yourself, ensure that you size those nails, ladies. So I'll be using mostly white for this set and a bit of red here and there. I was trying to get also the red, but it is Valentine's. What is Valentine without red? You know what I'm saying? So I did the thumb, the pinky in full white, the index with a bleeding heart, red rose for the middle finger, and some shattered glass for the ring finger. Not too much, but ideal. Not too much, but ideas for you to choose and create your perfect nail for you and the babe. Okay, so this video is really self-explanatory. I feel obligated to talk, I feel like I get more interactions when I do speak. Persons more relate to me when I speak instead of not speaking. But yeah, so I will stop the chatting, stop the rambling, stop the ranting, stop all the above. You guys go, because this video is self-explanatory, nothing, nothing. And also I want to point out is that based on nails that I've been doing over the past couple months, I've been doing a lot of press-ons. It's not recently, but I got some ballerina nails. I'll insert an image and I'll also link it down below so you guys can go pick it up. I don't remember where it's from. It's from BTA Art Box or something like that. This really good coffin nails. But one thing that I realized that it has its pros and it has its cons. Sometimes I like when the nail feels light, but at the same time I like it to feel heavy. So sometimes I will apply acrylic, sometimes I won't, depending on how the mood is in. But yes. So I'll stop the rambling. You guys can watch. But first thing is that if you're new to my channel, once again, hi, welcome to Your Beauty, where I use my hands and create fashion. I love doing DIY nail hack, so come join the family. I think I should start a post notification squad shout out or something like that. So if you think this is a good idea, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell so you will get notified each and every time I post, because I post twice a week. And please don't forget to check my social medias out. I'll have a link with them down below. So guys, please have an awesome day. Love yourself. #love for February. Peace. I'm out.